Ha! Nature Valley sweet and salty peanut dipped in peanut butter coating made of real peanuts, and is 170 calories per one bar with 7 grams of sugar. First ingredient is roasted peanuts, and then corn syrup, and then sugar. And then modified, oh no, it's not modified, it goes whole grain oats. Okay. I had a box of these like a month ago. They were kind of hard. Got these at Superstore on sale for $1.77 or something. See, this is softer than they were at Superstore. They weren't expired or anything. So I was wondering if they were just made that way or they were just old. Because there was like a peanut butter thing I had. It must have been another name brand one. Because I was just like, how come this isn't as soft and chewy than the other, than last time I had it. But whatevs. So it looks like there we go. Smell peanut butter. Coating tastes like peanut butter, okay. I like it. It's just not chewy. It's kind of tough. A month ago, and I had these. Some of them felt more firm than this. And I was wondering, was it because I had the window open, or they're old, or whatever? So I got a bunch of them and like sat on them, or put them against my body, just to kind of warm them up, to kind of soften them up. The last few of them, I just put them in a microwave. Not a good idea. 10 seconds. Sure, but I put them longer than 10 seconds, like a minute or something. Didn't like that at all. But yeah, I just wish these were a little softer. Oh well. Because I swear I thought these were supposed to put chewy on these. I was looking, but no, it doesn't have chewy, but whatever. Yeah, I like them. Get them again, of course. I just wish they were softer. That's all.